How to fix the app you are trying to install is not a Microsoft verified app on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hey guys, let's get started. If you're encountering this error message, it could be because your system is set to accept applications only from the Microsoft Store. To resolve this issue, follow the steps. First of all, open Settings. For this, you can either right-click on the Start button and go to Settings or search for it directly. Once opened, navigate to the app settings from the left side panel. Once you go on app, on the right hand side, click on Advanced App Settings. Now, from the option Choose Where to Get Apps, you will see options for the app sources. Make sure to select on Anywhere if it is set to Microsoft Store only. The recommended Microsoft Store only will get you the error message when you're trying to install app from the other sources. So it is best to install from any source, change the settings to Anywhere. Optionally, you can also set a prompt for the application installations. This can get you an additional layer of security as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.